Howdy, it's Van McCoy, Master Mixologist at Mayberry Spirits Distillery. And today we're going to add one more to our list of simple syrups. We're going to be making a ginger lemon simple syrup that adds some zest to all kinds of tasty drinks and foods. So we start out, as we usually do, we'll take some preheated water. We're going to add 1 cup into a mixing cup. And then we're going to add 1 cup of sugar. You can use any kind of sugar you want. This is just white table sugar. You can also use cane sugar or brown sugar or even one of our Tahitian or Madagascar infused vanilla sugars. You want to get that stirred up, so the heated water is simply to help dissolve the sugar faster. So you want to start that stirring so that it's going to start to dissipate a little bit right there. And then we're going to be adding some ginger and some lemon rind. So the ginger, I put approximately 1 inch to 1.5 inches from a fresh ginger root that I've taken with a paring knife or with a vegetable peeler. It's simply made into small chunks. I'm going to put that right in there. And then similarly, with our lemon, we took 1 whole lemon and took all of the rind off. Avoid the pith, avoid that white part. We just want that very translucent yellow rind from the lemon. I'm going to pour all that right in there. We're going to keep stirring that. And you want to stir that up until the sugar is completely dissolved. At this point, you have a couple of options. You can let that sit for a while so that all of those flavors will start to infuse. You could put it into a blender so that you get a much more finely chopped ginger and lemon base, and that will make it even more intense and give you a few chunks of that in whatever drink or food that you're making. Or you can leave it as is and simply put it in the refrigerator to keep for future use. My recommendation is to transfer this into a nice olive oil kind of bottle so that you've got a convenient pour for using in any kind of a convenient drink or any kind of food prep. So today we have made a ginger lemon simple syrup. It's going to add some really tasty zest with a little bit of sweetness to any kind of drink or food. So ginger lemon simple syrup, mayberryspirits.com. Cheers!